YouTube? It's your boy King Tactical from Tactical Kings TV. Today I'm going to show you why SIGs are the best. I'll show you my custom X5 Legion build in 9mm with the Coyote Tam. Got the 30 round magazine in it, straight from SIG, loaded with the snap caps. We're going to go ahead and disassemble it and reinstall it in a custom build, all here on camera. We're going to start with taking off the attachments, which have already been loosened. We're going to clear the firearm, no feed source, nothing inside the barrel. Slide it off. Guy rod spring is out. Barrel is out. Upper slide. Only thing left to do is take out the FCU. Easiest way to do it. Make sure your takedown lever is pushed all the way back, and you can use either the rod side or the flat side of your mag to push it out. Perfect. Rotate it to twist it out. Boom. Only thing left to do is get that FCU out. You can push up on the flat face trigger if you have a flat face trigger and push it out. This is the entire firearm. Technically, this is the serialized piece from SIG, straight from the manufacturer, the FCU. If you aren't sure what that is, it's a firearm control unit. So we're going to take our tungsten infused grip module for the X5 Legion, and we're going to set that to the side. I'm going to go ahead and replace it with our full size. So let's start with our FCU. We're going to have to reinstall this the exact same way that we took out the other one. So we'll slide that back, rock it in, push it down until you hear it snap. Now with it being properly seated, we can go ahead and reinstall our takedown lever. To reinstall, it's easier if you just hold the trigger back so you can slide this bad boy in. You'll twist it, twist, and keep twisting. There we go. Now you can release your trigger and get this properly seated. Check the fit. Operational. Next piece is obviously to get our slide put back together. So we're going to reinstall our barrel. Then we're going to take our guide rod spring and we're going to get the broad side here, place it against your thumb, push it in. Make sure it's properly seated on the feed lips. Then grab your lower. Looks like we got a problem already. Make sure that is properly seated. Go back, check your FCU again. There we go. That's what the problem is. Almost forgot. There we go. Butter. Go ahead and lock that. There we go. But we're not finished yet. Let's go ahead and reinstall that attachment. Now I recommend you tighten this down with a tool, but for the sake of the video, I won't be using a dedicated tool. I have an object strictly for this. There we go. Now, we'll go ahead and put our magazine in with the snap caps. Rack to load. Trigger pull is fine. Snap cap is ejected. Let's do it again. Load, snap cap, ejected. Looks like we got a properly functioning firearm here.